Today I want to show you how to set up a Facebook pixel on your IDX broker pages. It's really easy. It'll just take a minute and I'll show you how to do it. So basically Facebook will give you a pixel and it looks like you get a code like this. Like this goes down below this page and I've copied it. And so then what you do is you come over, you log into your IDX broker account, you slide down here to where it says design, then click on website, and then click on subheaders. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go in here to the global subheader, and in this case I'm going to click on this HTML, so this shows us the code here, and then I can just paste that code. Looks like I didn't copy it. Let's grab it there. We'll copy the code, and then I'll come over here and paste it, push update, and that's there. You can see there's a desktop and a mobile, so this is really important that you get both of those. I'll save the changes there on the desktop one. Now I'm on the mobile version of it. This is global, so this is going to go on all my IDX broker pages. So when anybody looks at a property or looks at a results page or does a map search, it's going to be there. So all I do is push save and it's there. So let's just go verify that real quick. Let's go to a page. We'll just do our map search. Let's click open that map search page, and because of the way I'm logged in right here, it's going to ask me to hit that reCAPTCHA, and there's using the Maxima Map search with the small images, so you can see a lot of properties there. But let's go to view page source, and then let's hit Facebook pixel code. You can see it right there, and there's the code. So it's there and it should be working. So that's how you can do it. It's really easy to set up. You just set it up in the subheaders, just like this example. If you'd like us to do that for you, we're happy to do it too, but you can put that, if you have a different, let me show you one other thing. If you have a different pixel for different pages, this is the one that's going on all pages. But if you say, you know what, I'm going to put a different pixel on my details pages, and a different one on the results pages, then you do the same thing. Click this HTML, put it in there, and that will override the one that's on global. If you click on these other pages, say you say, hey, on the supplemental page, for example, I want to put even a different one, then I can do the same thing. Put a new code in here, and basically pages will override categories, which overrides global. So as you go further this way, it overrides the settings that are in here. And you can even put these on saved links. For example, if you have Napa County real estate stats for September on that page, you could put a custom subheader. This one already has something there. It's already got some sort of code on there. But you could put one on each one of these pages. It's a little bit different, and then track all those different things. Again, put it on desktop, then put it on mobile, and save those changes. And that's it. That's how you stick a Facebook pixel on your IDX broker pages.